Hello, my name is Allison. Me and my family have been testing out the Dyson Supersonic hair dryer. I am going to show you around it. So this is the button for hot and cold. That's just to make more power and less. This is the on and off switch. This is the cold. I'm going to show you how to put it on. So we're going to start off with this one, the brush one. And that's how it's like magnets, and we just put it next to each other and do that. Let me show you. So if you want to know how to turn it on, let me show you how to do it. Then you stop how to brush, so we don't need a brush knife. I'm going to show you how to take it off when it's on. And let me show you how to do it. So, when it's on, we just put it together, and let me show you. Hot, cold, hotter, hotter, hotter. See how hot it is? And that's the cold button. And then it's too hot for you, just turn it down, and then it'll start coming down, and you have to turn this off if you want to. That's how we get it cold again. So let me show you how to take it off with this big one, okay? If you don't want it to blast off, we just do that. See how easy it is? And let me show you with the last and final one. It's so cold if you just do one. And if you do two, it will be a little warm. If you do three, it will be hot. And if you put this button, that side moves. If you turn all of them onto one and 1, 0, like this, it was starting to cool down. So this is the button for turning off. Let me show you one more time how to take this off. We spin it. We spin it and then pull it off so it wouldn't blast off. Thank you for watching the hands-on Supersonic hair dryer. My name is Allison with /Dear.